Hello everyone. Recently my Toyota's driving side windows start acting up whenever I roll it up. It goes all the way up and then automatically opens like 20-25%. Windows mechanism thinks it's the zero position and we need to reset the memory. I have removed the battery terminals, hoping that it will reset it, and that's the simplest thing we could try with. Let's wait for 5-10 minutes and then reconnect the terminal back again. Make sure that you secure the terminal. It should be tight. You don't want to risk any sparks during the cranks. It's a bit tricky with one hand as I am not using any tripod and holding the camera with one hand. Once tighten up, we will see that if it worked or not. Otherwise, I will show you a second method and hopefully we will be able to resolve the issue by the end of this video. Everything fine, ignition turned on, and let's try the windows. Nope, it's same as it was previously. There was no effect of the battery reset. Okay, now what we will try, we will just roll down the window and hold the button for like 5 to 10 seconds. And then we will do the same by rolling up the window and then hold the button for 5 to 10 seconds. But that window open up again, don't worry. It's not fully closing up. Let's do the power cycle. I have turned on the ignition. Okay, seems this time it worked. Let's give it a try. Okay, you can see it's working absolutely fine now. All good. Thank you very much for watching.